Good day to all. Today our topic is firefly algorithm, which mimics the firefly insect and how it searches its mates for reproduction. Likewise, this algorithm goes. Myself, Dr. B. Suresh Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering. How we utilize this concept for industrial problems or research problems, we can discuss. Firefly algorithm. It may be called as FFA. FFA working methodology for noisy non-linear problems occurs with industries or research work. Fireflies is the smallest insect which produce a cold flashlight for attract the mates, as like these photographs. Light production in fireflies due to chemical reaction. Light in firefly was used for finding the food and their reproduction also. Both male and female insects are attracted together by rhythmic flashes, rate of flashes, and amount of time. The light intensity and the distance between two insects are indirect proportional, which is as the distance increases, the light intensity also increases. There are two main factors for fireflies to communicate each other. These are a limited distance between two fireflies and the intensity of flashing light. So, the brightness of light and the distance between the two fireflies are the important factors. The movement of firefly from one place to another place. The places are male insect to female insect. In that, flashing light can be used to formulate objective function to be optimized. This work is studied and converted to some example. With the example machining operation I consider. Here I told as like, I will tell as like objective function and input parameters. So, firefly algorithm works based on following three rules. All the fireflies are unisex. Each firefly is attracted only to the fireflies that are brighter than itself. Strength of the attractiveness is proportional to the firefly's brightness, which attenuates over the distance the brightness firefly moves randomly. And the third rule is brightness of every firefly determines its quality of solution. In most of the cases, it can be proportional to the objective function. So, steps in firefly algorithm. It is normal as like genetic algorithm and other optimization techniques. Initially, uniformly distributed population of fireflies with the aid of randomized generation of random numbers, and also intensity of flashlight here important, which is the difference between other algorithm. Intensity of flashlight evaluated based on objective function, and then firefly's current position is updated when the constant is better than the previous position. How it moves from previous position to current position. Fireflies are moved to their new position based on the attractiveness. After that, the firefly's attractiveness updated. Best firefly is determined based on firefly's previous best positions, and then we can repeatedly do this. After that, go to step 2 until the stopping criteria reached. So when we should reach the stopping criteria means the termination stage. If I got the maximum value means I stop the criterion or stop the iterations, and then end. These are all the things available with the firefly algorithm, optimization algorithm. Here the firefly algorithm parameters are population size. We may consider from 5 to 100, and then number of iterations 100 to 1000 according to our considered problem. Randomization parameter. What is the meaning of randomization problem? Randomization parameter we can understand after completing the presentation. Alpha from 0.001 to 0.1. Attractiveness based on brightness beta 0 to 1. The incremental of 0.1 is available. After that, fixed light absorption coefficient started from 0.1 and ended with the 1.0, which also incremental with the 0.1 precision. After that, randomization reduction factor from 0.9 to 0.99, and then numerical illustration. Now we can start our problem. The first step moves in the direction of initialize the input parameter for the considered objective functions. Firefly algorithm procedure has the following steps. The step 1 is the initialize the input parameter. Here the input parameters I considered x1 and x2. So x1 and x2 are calculated randomly within the parameter bound values from following equation. The following equation, the x1 is equal to x1 minimum plus x1 max minus x1 minimum into random number. That random number is generated between 0 and 1, and the x2 also follows the same formula, x2 minimum plus x2 max minus x2 minimum into random number. Likewise, we may construct our initial population or initial random numbers with the normal x1 and x2 value. Step 2, the combined objective function. Every problem has its own objective function. If my problem has more than one objective means, how can I combine? Yes, here also the combine we can combine how can we combine the objective functions? Let's see. Here, according to this problem, objective function 1 and objective function 2 is available. For example, if you are consider the machining problem means material removal rate and surface roughness are the objective functions. Okay, the problem is if I want to increase the productivity means I increase the I mean maximize the material removal rate, and also I may increase the quality means I can reduce the surface roughness value, so that the conflicting objective function is available with this one corresponding to material removal rate means it may have maximization, the surface roughness means it should minimize. So that two conflicting objective functions, how can I combine with each other? These two objective functions are to be combined with the following formula. Maximize combined objective function is equal to, I produce the positive symbol here plus. Okay, why? Because the combined objective function is to be maximized, so that here also I produce maximization with the positive symbol, maximize of x1. And as minimization, what is minimization of objective function 2? Here why I utilize minus symbol means here the maximization is the overall objective function, but I utilize here is minimization, so that I utilize the opposite denotion, which is minus, so that maximization utilize the symbol minus symbol because the combined objective function is to be maximized. So here I utilize minimized, so that I utilize minus symbol. So I frame the combined objective function likewise, maximize is equal to maximize of objective function 1 minus minimization of objective function 2. So I combine the equation as like maximization of combined objective function is equal to objective function 1 minus objective function 2. Likewise, you frame your objective function as a combined objective function. Then Firefly algorithm is started from iteration 0, normally, which is serial number 1, which is population size is 5, random number 1, random number 2 for x1 and x2, so that I generate two random numbers with the 5 populations, and also I convert this random number into x1 and x2 value with the equation of step 1, x1 is equal to x1 min max, and I utilize this equation and generate the newer population with the x1 and x2 from the generated random numbers, and also I can get the objective function, combined objective function from the identified x1 and x2 values. After that, the step 3 is calculation of intensity of light, which is Firefly algorithm, so that I have to go for calculate the intensity of light. Based on that, Firefly movement is to be controlled mathematically. In Firefly algorithm, variation of light intensity and the formulation of the attractiveness are the two main concerns. The attractiveness of a firefly is derived from its brightness. The generalized form of attractiveness function such as follows: beta of r is equal to beta naught plus e power minus gamma r square, which is the formula for identification of light attractiveness or brightness. Here, what is beta naught? Beta naught is the attractiveness. R is equal to 0 to 1 with the incremental of 0.1 precision, and then gamma is equal to fixed light absorption coefficient, which it started from 0.1 to 1. with the incremental of 0.1 precision. After that, R. What is R? R is the distance between two fireflies. Here, the beta naught value and the gamma value we can assume from the constant suggested by the standard books. But how can I identify the distance between two fireflies means? According to my collected data only, I can identify the distance between two fireflies. How? The distance between the two fireflies I and j and xi and xj are identified by using the following formula. Here, the distance between two fireflies are calculated with xi minus xj. It's equal to square root of k is equal to 1 to d. How many population size I considered? Based on this, I choose the value d. Here, xik minus xjk, the whole square, the formula I utilized for identifying the distance between two fireflies. After that, the FFA parameters. The FFA parameters are tested and analyzed for identifying the best parameter. Already I told what are all the parameters the Firefly algorithm has. Okay, so that the identifying of best parameter from available parameters is important. So that identifying the best parameter in this problem, first the beta value changed from 0 to 1 because the interval already they suggested 0 to 1 with the incremental of 0.1 precision. So, each test was conducted with 100 population size. For understanding this problem, I utilized 100 population size and 1000 iterations. And the corresponding best fitness value are shown in table below. From this table, best value of beta is selected. I substitute beta value with 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Likewise, substitute on the brightness equation. Based on that, I run and identify the next objective function value. From this I got 10 number of objective function value. From this I can compare all the 10 values. From this I can get 204.91 as the maximum value. So that best beta parameter is 0.8. After that I conduct the test with the best parameter of beta for identification of randomization parameter. Next alpha value of 0.001 and 0.01 and 0.1 were verified with the best beta value which is 0.8 obtained from first test, and the best parameter and the fitness values are shown in table below. So the best randomization factor value with the beta is equal to 0.8. I tested with 3 different parameters of randomization factor. From this I got 0.1 as the best randomization parameter because 204.91 I got from this randomization parameter. So that I choose the randomization parameter is 0.1. Then light absorption coefficient, identification of light absorption coefficient. See, every problem has different coefficient value, different parameter values for their considering objective function value. So that every problem have to evaluate the best parameter value. From this only we can move the next iteration. So that I tell lengthy wise. Okay, then the third step is then the combination of best alpha and best beta. What is best alpha? 0.1. Best beta is 0.1. Values were tested with the gamma value in between 0.1 to 1. Here I also continue my test the parameter values from 0.1 to 1 with the incremental of 0.1. There is no change in fitness values with the change of gamma value, and the values are tabulated in the following table. I represented what I got from manual calculation. I suggested like that the gamma value. From that I can get different parameter combined objective function values. According to this identified objective function value, I got 204.91 for the all combinations of beta, alpha and gamma values. In that the I selected the higher gamma value because all the parameters suggested 204.91, so that I selected the gamma value as 1. And then randomization reduction factor. Next I have to go for identifying the randomization reduction factor. Finally, the best values of randomization factor alpha, attractiveness factor beta, fixed light absorption coefficient gamma. Already you are aware about how do I identify these values were identified and were verified with the randomization reduction factor delta in the range of 0.9 to 0.99 with the incremental of 0.01. You won't fear. These are all suggested by standard book so that we can pick the value from that book. The best fitness function and the delta value are shown in table. Based on this investigation, best values of FFA parameters were proposed. According to my mathematical manual calculation, I proposed the best value and substitute the corresponding values on that particular equation, which is beta naught is beta of r is equal to beta naught into e power minus gamma into r square. So I get the delta value also for next iteration movement. Delta value, I substitute all the parameter values in the corresponding equation. I got 204.91 with the objective function value. Here also 0.99 is the best parameter value of randomization reduction factor. Then step 4 is the ranking of light intensity, which parameter is best from the n number of population. So that ranking of light intensity is important for choose the best value from the available populations. Rank the light intensity according to higher intensity has first rank and lower intensity has gets least rank. As like descending order, the first rank light intensity is best objective and the corresponding parameters are the best from that domain space for that particular iteration only. For all, not all the iteration, for particular iteration only. So based on these calculation, I identify the best Firefly parameters as like randomization parameter alpha is equal to 0.1 and attractiveness based on brightness is 0.8 and the fixed light absorption coefficient is 1 and the randomization reduction factor is 0.99. Likewise, I got the parameter values from the previous calculation. Then I move to next step, which is step 5, Firefly movement for next generation. So the optimization is the global one, it is not a local one. So the iteration is continuous. So that how do I start the identified best parameters for next iteration? Yes, the movement of the Firefly is important, so that the movement of the Firefly can be determined by using following relationship. I is attracted to another more attractive Firefly J. With I may be a male, J may be a female. Is determined by the following equation, which is xi is equal to xi plus beta naught e power minus gamma r square of xj minus xi. Xj is the previous point, xi is the new point, current point, plus alpha into random of minus 1 by 2. Here already you are aware about how do I identify beta naught value from the parameter best value selection. You may choose the corresponding value, which is 0.8 gamma value. Likewise, you may get the best parameters from the previous calculation. So the first and the second term is represented in the equation for attraction of fireflies. The third term is randomization with the alpha being the randomization parameter. According to the above equation, rand is the random number which generated uniformly distributed in 0 to 1. Here I substitute all the best parameter Firefly best parameter values in the next iteration. Here xi, because I want to identify the x1 value from this, so that I substitute 1. x1 is equal to x1 plus 0.8 is the best beta naught value predicted from the above calculation, 0.8 into e power minus 1. Okay, gamma value, best gamma value from the above previous calculations, 1.0 r square. We may identify with the next point problem. Likewise, we may identify x12 minus x11. x12 is the current position, current position, x11 is the previous position. Likewise, we may identify the next points. Plus 0.1 is the alpha value identified from the best parameter of f of vi, and the random number minus 1 by 2. We may substitute the corresponding values in that equation. We may identify the next iteration initial population x1 and x2 value. After finding this x1 and x2 value, we can substitute the same combined objective function equation, which is represented in our previous slide. I place the same equation in the current slide also, so that we can substitute x1 and x2 value on the corresponding the correct equation. And then step 6, selection of best value, the maximum objective function, because our combined objective function is to be maximized, so that the maximum objective function and their parameter value from whole iteration is called as best value. According to our manual calculation, x1 is equal to 260, x2 is equal to 0.05. We got from the calculation what we are conducted with the previous slide. The combined objective function I got 207.20. So that I separate the combined objective function into current objective function, which means the exact objective function 1 and objective function 2, the individual objective function. From that I use the same input parameter, I substitute 260.05 in the objective function 1 equation. I may get the objective function 1 value is 207.7487, and objective function, the surface roughness or any other objective functions what you are considered with your experiments. From that I got 0.5487 with the second term of combined objective function. I can get the two corresponding objective function values. From this we can get the newer parameter values for best parameter value for making a decision in manufacturing industrial problem or otherwise design problem, any problem you may get the best parameter. From that best parameter we can go for decision making. Thank you all.